Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. With the name of Allah, who is very kind and merciful. Welcome to DevOps King channel. On this channel, you will find the solution of different talks about Azure DevOps and AWS. Today, I shall explain part 1 of OpenClaw about the installation and configuration. Very important AI agent. Most of the IT company are asking for the configuration of the OpenClaw. Very on the upwork, very reasonable rate, around about 150 per dollar for the configuration and installation of the OpenClaw. So today I shall explain part 1 of this series of the OpenClaw. On this channel, you will find the training period for the other like Docker, Kubernetes, Terraform, and Azure AWS CI/CD. If you have any query, please contact on this WhatsApp number. Every video on this channel are prepared by certified DevOps engineer. In order to search this channel on the YouTube, please use the word DevOps King. You will find the channel DevOps King. Please click the subscribe button so that you can find the notification about the next part of OpenClaw. So let's start for the part 1 of this series about the OpenClaw installation, configuration, and integration with WhatsApp. So first of all, we should know what is the OpenClaw, definition of the OpenClaw. The OpenClaw AI is a free, open source, and self-hosted autonomous AI agent that runs on your local machine to manage, automate, and execute tasks directly on your computer. It's connected to the platform like WhatsApp, Telegram, and Discord to manage email, files, and browse the web. It's designed for developer and power user waiting deep personalized automation. Moreover, the OpenClaw is a proactive agent. By using the OpenClaw, we can use automation of email handling, calendar management, web scraping, weather traffic, meeting location, and regularly schedule AI tasks. These are the different things that we can do by using the OpenClaw, automation of these different tasks by using the OpenClaw. Now, let's start for the first step in the OpenClaw. First of all, we shall open the Google. After that, we shall write there OpenClaw AI as you can see that on the screen. After that, when we click on the search for the search, we shall find the OpenClaw person assistant as you can see that on the screen. When we click on this personal AI assistant of OpenClaw, in the next, we shall find this one, the original website of OpenClaw AI. After that, in the blue one, you can see that the command that we shall use for the installation of the OpenClaw. If you need in-depth knowledge about the OpenClaw, you can read the documentation from openclaw.ai on this website. But right now, we shall execute the command as you can see that on the quick start. So, for this, first of all, we shall open the command prompt as administrator. We shall open the command prompt from our system as an administrator. When we open the PowerShell command on our system, we shall apply the command. As you can see that, we shall apply the command. After writing this command, we shall press the enter button, and on entering the enter button, the installation of the OpenClaw will start. You can see that when we press the enter, OpenClaw installer will start the installation of the OpenClaw, as you can see that on the screen. After some time installation, we shall get the different options like the below one. Like the below one is this one option. Like after installing, by using the arrow key, select the yes. The important thing about this is that you can see that the option in the bottom. There are two options. One is yes and other is no. We shall select the required option by using the arrow key on the laptop on the keyboard. So by using the arrow key, we shall select the yes. We shall giving confirmation about the final installation and configuration of the OpenClaw. So when you select the yes in this case, in this 7th step, after that we shall select the way in which we shall select the option for the installation. There are different two options. One is the quick start and other is the manual. So by using the arrow key, we shall select the quick start option for the OpenClaw. By using the quick start option of the OpenClaw, the installation will start. Now, in the next step, we shall select the LM model. Right now, for the explanation of configuration and installation and the integration of the OpenClaw, I shall use the OpenAI. You can see that on the screen. I shall select the OpenAI in this one. After this step, when we click on the quick start, after that we shall select the AI model, LLM model. In the LLM model, you can also see that on the screen, the OpenClaw, there is a gateway for the OpenClaw. The gateway open port is 18789. This is the default port for the gateway because your OpenClaw will not work unless your gateway is running. We all check all these steps during the installation and configuration of the OpenClaw. How we shall start the gateway and how we shall use the application OpenClaw. So in this case, after that, the startup, when the startup mode is quick start, you can see that in the first step. After that, the gateway port is 18789, and moreover, gateway sub ID as a token is default. Now, in the next step, the model. In the model section of this OpenClaw, we shall select the OpenAI. As we have selected the OpenAI, you know that in order to work with the OpenAI, we need some key for this OpenAI. Now, the next one is in the next part, we shall create the OpenAI API key so that we can configure OpenClaw in the best way. So in this case, as we have selected you can see that we have selected the we have selected the OpenAI. For the OpenAI, we need the API key. After that, we shall get the option OpenAI API key. When we press the enter button, we shall, first of all, we shall create the OpenAI key so that we can use in the OpenClaw. For this, you need to open the website. As you can see that on the screen, that website name is platform.openai.com.home. When you open this website, on the left bottom, there is a API keys. When you click on the API keys, you will get the option of this one option, create the secret key. You can see that on the right top corner, there is a button, create a new secret key. When you click on the create a new secret key, you will find the key of your account on the OpenAI. You need to copy the secret key so that we can use in the OpenClaw. So after this step, copy the secret key from the OpenAI, and now in the next step, the next step in the OpenClaw installation configuration and integration with WhatsApp is the step that provide the secret key. Now you can see that first of all, we have selected the yes for the confirmation. After that, we have set up the quick start, and now the gateway port is given, as you can see that on the screen. And after that, the most important things we have for the LM model, we have selected the OpenAI. After that, we have created the OpenAI. You can see that on the left hand side of the arrow, we have provided the API keys, secret of the API key. You can see that on the screen. Moreover, after giving the secret key of the API, we have configured the default model at this time is OpenAI GPT 5.4. This is the default model that we are using. In the next part of this series, we shall start from this and we shall complete the integration with the WhatsApp, with the Telegram, and the other things that are very hot in the market. So we shall cover all these things in the part second of this series of the OpenClaw installation and configuration. Best of luck. See you in the next part of this series.